So today we are going to be talking about the secret to generating more high quality inquiries for your business using content marketing. I am joined with James. We do this for a lot of different businesses. We've got a lot of experience when it comes to content marketing. So what are some tips that you want to share first?
So first and foremost would be generating a blog and trying to make certain that that blog is ranking for as many different keywords from top of the funnel all the way down to bottom of the funnel keywords. So some people call it topical authority, building your hubs and your spokes, but generally trying to, from an organic SEO standpoint, trying to rank that content for as many different keywords that's related to your industry and the services that you provide as possible.
Yeah, so I think once you have like the base layer of your blog section set up, the next thing is actually getting more eyeballs on your blog section. So a few things that you can do when it comes to that is like repurposing the actual blogs. So a lot of times what we've done in the past is we've turned blogs into videos. You can turn them into shorts, for example. A lot of people, and this might sound really strange because we're talking about content marketing, people sometimes don't like to read long articles. They much prefer listening to podcasts or watching shorts or watching videos. So if you can start off with just by doing that, you're already getting more eyeballs on your brand.
Yeah, for sure. And then obviously the videos that you create as well can be embedded onto the blogs, which makes it media rich. And then you spoke about there about shorts. You can create a short of a long form video, which is like a teaser, which then leads them to the longer form kind of video and stuff like that. So yeah, that's a great plan. On the similar subject of doing it for videos, you can also do it for images. And you can also embed them images as well onto the blog posts. So trying to rank images, especially in certain industries like kitchen remodeling, designs, anything that's bespoke or tailored, people want to see images. So, and a lot of people don't talk about this, the amount of traffic you can get from Google image search is massive. I think 9%, it doesn't sound like a lot, but 9% of searches is image search, which I think is massive. If you think of how many billions of people are searching. So trying to get images as well that's relevant to your blog posts, just like you're doing videos, and trying to rank both or all three of them, trying to rank the content, trying to rank the image and trying to rank the video together collectively is massive.
Yeah, and then another way that you can get more eyeballs, and this is going to sound like a no-brainer to some people, is actually once you've published the blog article, maybe you've even published a podcast, video, short, even an image, is sending that through to your email list. So getting more people back onto your website. A lot of people do this, and it also increases and helps when it comes to like rankings and stuff as well.
Yeah, for sure. And then another big one is you've spoke several times there about trying to get more traffic through to your blog, which is obviously very important. But if you get lots and lots of traffic through to your blog, this video is about how to generate more leads from content marketing. If you've got lots of people landing on your website but not turning into an inquiry, there might be something wrong with the conversion rate optimization. So checking the design and making certain you've got clear call to actions and that you've got conversion rate optimization set up on your website, and you're consistently looking at the data to try and improve just the color of the buttons, the text around the buttons, the sales copy, making certain you're trying to get that traffic and turn that into an inquiry and into a lead. I think that's also very important.
Yeah, like what one added tip that I would give to business owners, just if they're looking at fixing conversion rates and stuff, is literally just load up ChatGPT, give it your customer persona, like who is the type of person that will buy from you, copy and paste your entire website content, like on your homepage or on your service pages, for example, and say, give me 10 recommendations on how to improve it. It's literally, you don't need to hire a sales copy person. It will just give you 10 tips. And that, just by doing that, will obviously improve the conversion rates.
Yeah, I think another massive one here as well, which we can touch upon with regards to content marketing to generate more leads, is that you can do it not just on your own website. So a lot of people talk about backlinks, but not many people talk about if you know the keywords that convert, Why don't you dominate page 1 of Google? Don't just have number 1 result, get number 2 result and number 3 result. And you can do that. Some people call it Barnacle SEO or Parasite SEO. But at searcharoo.com, they do power posts. Now, what a power post is creating a guest post on a third-party website that ranks for the keywords that you know convert into enquiries or into sales. So can you try to write content on third-party websites which could end up getting you like emails that are coming through, inquiries that are coming through, or even sales or clicks back to your website that's coming back into turning into more sales or more leads? It's very important as well for you to look at Parasite SEO or looking at trying to rank third-party websites with power posts.
Yeah. I think the last one for me is your offer. How good is your offer? Because again, you could be getting 10 million hits a month to your website, but if your offer is unclear or if nobody wants your offer, you're not going to get much conversion. So actually looking at what's problems you're actually solving, and is it at a certain price point? Is it what people actually want? That's what a lot of businesses also get muddled up with and get wrong.
Yeah, for sure. I think the offer is, like you said, it's so key in making certain you get that right. It almost forms part of like conversion rate optimization, trying to split test your offer, trying to understand exactly what gets them from being just browsing to actually inquiring and going, wow. So you can put certain things in place like scarcity, or you can put like a limited time offer where it's basically coming back where they're going, oh my God, I need to inquire now today to get that deal. So I think the offer is very important. But I want to touch upon one last one as well, is using a lead generation company. Once you know what keywords are converting, using a lead generation company like fatrank.com, and then giving them the keywords and making them understand these leads make us a return on investment. Can you generate us more leads as well? So this isn't just like doing Parasite SEO or trying to rank a third-party website which comes back to you. This is them going out and doing their own thing. It could be them doing their own videos, them doing their own images, them doing their own blogs, whatever it is that lead generation company's doing to generate you the leads that you know you're good at converting. Go and team up with 2 or 3 different lead generation companies, leverage their skills and try and get them to generate your leads as well. You remember, you've got the omni-channel, you've got the omnipresent. Don't have a single like source of lead generation, have multiple sources and trying to get so many different places where you can get a consistent flow of inquiries coming through.
Yeah, so that has been our video on the secret of generating high quality leads using content marketing. If you guys do have any questions, drop them down below. And like what James mentioned, if you want a consistent flow of inquiries, head over to fatrank.com and fill in the contact form and the team will be in touch with you. Thanks for watching.